This 2025 Forest River Sierra 3900HBLR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features a switchback interior, sleeps 4, awning, air conditioning, skylight, microwave, LP detector, smoke detector, oven, TV, water heater, refrigerator, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.